Sleep. People probably told you that you need 8 hours of it a day, although now it feels like they were asking for too much. In a time where people need your time, your work needs your time, social media needs your time, and so does your cat, we wanted to help you sleep like it's a Sunday, even on a Monday. Which is why we worked in creating a mattress that'll help you maximize on your sleep, even if it's for as little as 3 hours or even a power nap. We call it the Posture Support Mattress range, made to support your body, its weight, and all the stress of the day you carry with it. And we know it works because we spent quite a few sleepless nights not to make the world's best mattress, but to make a mattress where you get the best sleep. Your choice of a mattress can't be dictated by just soft, hard, or firm. But we are all different. We sleep differently. You are you, and you deserve to sleep just the way you want to. Which is why we came up with a way to put into numbers what could be comfortable for you. We made 3 types of mattresses. A lean build for people weighing between 40 to 60 kgs, a moderate build mattress for someone who is between 50 to 90 kgs, and a high build mattress for anyone who weighs between 80 to 120 kgs.
These mattresses are designed as per your weight category. So we'll begin up with weighing Mihir. Mihir weighs 71 kgs. Okay, Mihir? So here we have a pressure mat over here, which is going to sense how much weight the mattress is taking. So this mattress is ideally designed for a weight category of 80 kgs to 120 kgs, okay? Now since Mihir weighs 71 kgs, you can see how the pressure is distributed, how the mattress is supporting him at different positions. Look at his shoulder, his lumbar region, then you see a big red spot at his hip region. The ideal mattress for him is a medium build mattress. Now we are going to hold this frame for you, okay? And when you lie down on the other mattress, we are going to have a comparison of how it looks on the other mattress, okay? And here to see the major differences in the hip part, and what was looking at a big red patch is now a greenish blue patch over here. His shoulders are in a good blue safe zone and his weight is distributed evenly. The mattress is supporting his whole body and keeping his pressure distributed and even throughout. Let us see how this mattress supports you in the side sleeping posture. So here you see his shoulder and hip region, it's mostly in that green zone, unlike the last mattress wherein it was a big red patch. So this is the difference that is going to be created by the different zones that are there. His weight is taken in by the mattress properly and is distributed over the area so that there is no pressure point that are created and his weight is uniformly distributed.
In the cross section of the mattress, you will see softer range foam on the head region, pocket springs for the shoulder region, and firmer foam at the lumbar region. There are pocket springs used for the hip as well, but is different from that of the shoulder as the pressure you exert on the 2 places are different. And finally, a softer foam for the leg region. This combination is different for each of the mattresses in the range. Personalized to your body type to get a perfect sleep, because we know how important sleep is for you. But wait, there's more. Apart from sleep, we wanted to give you a place that felt inviting enough for a good sleep, which is why we use the color white. The elegant and washable white cover has a zipper which can be removed whenever you think it has seen way too many of those midnight snack spills. Knowing when to wash the cover keeps your mattress free of bacteria. Have your way with the mattress and it still won't slip off your bed. We took care of this by adding a strip along the back that holds the mattress in place. This mattress is going to be by your side for years, and it's only fair to be able to keep this clean and know when it's time to clean.
The difference that we are bringing in is from an understanding that a good mattress is something which can support your body weight. So we would like to introduce a new conversation at the store by asking what is your body type, by asking what is your weight, and when we come to know about your weight, we can directly recommend you which is the best mattress for you.